This is Dawn Fraser from Living Your Best Life at 60, and tonight I'm going to be making cilantro lime chicken. I've already measured out my spices: a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of cumin, and a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. I have 1.5 pounds of chicken, and I'm going to pour my spices right into the bag. Now we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of chopped cilantro and squeeze in 2 limes. Smells really good. I'm going to zip my baggie and I'm going to coat my chicken with the lime and the spices. We're going to let our chicken marinate for a half hour to 2 hours. Our chicken is marinated for an hour, so I'm going to put it on the grill. We're going to cook our chicken for 8 minutes on each side. It's time to turn our chicken. This is cooking up really nicely. It smells delicious. Now we're going to let this side cook for 8 minutes. It's time to take our chicken off the grill. Our chicken looks fantastic. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you for cooking with me.